Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I will take this and hide it. I will take this camera and nobody will do it. Let me look at me. Take this, mother trucker. Oh. Finally, guys, I took him off my tail. But look what happened. I woke up, I heard this noise, and then, yeah, that happened. So I'm really like, what? But look, like, it's so bad. Like, I don't get it. Like, I don't even know. I'm gonna, like, get a temperature, see what's wrong or something, because this is weird. I'll leave it like that and see if anything bad happens. Look, I have a television. Look. It feels like 23, but it's actually 35. It's cold. It's a winter storm. It's actually raining and snowing. And that night it's gonna be at 32. At 32 at night, at low temperature. Tomorrow is gonna be at 41 and it feels like 33. And over here is gonna be like that then. But it literally right now is today. So today is Wednesday and it's 35, man. Don't you see this, guys? I'm a weak guy. Me, I die. Like if I go out there, I'm gonna literally die actually. So I'm gonna literally leave the camera right here. I'm gonna go find a temperature. You can see there's even the police right there. There's a police officer right over there. Man, if you guys can please support to this channel and hope that I don't die or anything bad happens, please leave a comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Please, God, believe in God that I cannot please die. But so, bip, bop, blip, blip, cassetter.